One of the key service areas of the Business Advisory Department is preparing cash flow forecasts for our clients. We like to make sure as many of our clients as possible have an up-to-date cash flow forecast which details where the revenues are coming in and the expenditure is going out. And it's so important we find that if there are problems on the horizon, that we can highlight these sooner rather than later, get involved with the client's bank and talk through how we can avoid those situations arising. Cash is king, obviously, in the current market, and even with a potential recovery on the way, that can itself bring short-term cash flow problems as companies start to trade out of the difficult environment that we've been in. That can actually sort of cause cash flow shortages as they've had to increase stocks, increase work in progress, and then debtors before that increased revenue starts to come into the bank account. So it can bring in problems in itself. A natural progression from cash flow forecasts is actually preparing a business plan for our clients. We do find very often that clients do actually need to be a bit more sort of strategic in their thinking, and preparing a 3 or even a 5-year business plan is often very, very useful for them. It enables us to establish exactly where the business is at the moment in terms of the balance sheet and cash flows and everything, the market they're in, the markets they'd like to get into, how they're comparing with their competitors. And very often the business plan is not just a sort of written exercise or a written summary that's done for a bank. It's done because they want to take that business on a strategic journey. We find so often that clients of ours that have got a business plan outperform in terms of profitability, cash flow and business value, greatly outperform their competitors or other companies that don't have business plans. So it's something we like to stress, and it's a service that we can provide very cost effectively for our clients. We prepare a lot of management accounts for a number of clients of ours, and we find that those particular clients really do benefit greatly from having that financial information at their fingertips. Technology nowadays means that we can actually produce accounts much more quickly and effectively via the internet or emails or whatever, so that companies can really see exactly how they're performed each month or each quarter very, very soon after that period's finished. The days of actually waiting to the end of the financial year or the statutory accounts really pretty much are over. People need to know much, much sooner how their quarters are going and how their business is trading. And we can give feedback, very, very quickly and effectively and help them take corrective action if, for example, their management accounts are showing that their profits are not really coming up to budget. At CBHC, we see that one of their key roles in life, as well as producing accounts and preparing tax computations for clients and doing audits, is improvement of profitability. We really do see as the improvement in our clients' profitability as a key feature of our service and something that perhaps distinguishes us from our competitors. There's a number of things that we can do to help clients improve profitability. We're members of the Added Value Network of Accountants, and that gives us a huge range of tools and resources to do just that. And it's something we were very, very keen to roll out further as we look to see the clients of ours, old and new, looking at ways of trading through a difficult environment and looking to improve their businesses in the longer term. Another area that's been of great interest to our clients in recent months are in the areas of benchmarking and business research. This is where we analyse the customers or the suppliers or competitors that our clients deal with, have a really good look at them in terms of their financial performance, credit ratings, that sort of stuff. And clients have found that very, very useful and get a much better sort of market intelligence in terms of where they are and where they want to be. Additionally, with benchmarking, when we produce a set of accounts for a client, we can now benchmark those accounts against similar sized businesses in the same or similar sectors to our clients, and they find that really useful to see how they stack up against those competitors and people, to see whether they're underperforming in any areas, and obviously it would highlight where actions needed to sort that situation out. Very, very popular and something we want to do more of. To sum up, the work of the Business Advisory Department is pretty much centred around helping clients to work on their businesses rather than in the businesses. It's very easy to just get involved in the business very, very closely, working day to day in a very hectic and sometimes stressful environment. It stops you from sort of looking outside and stepping outside, and that's something we try and get our clients to do. The Business Advisory is the key department to do that, and we've seen some tremendous results in recent years where we have done that with clients.